Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this really cool and fun Happy Diwali card using the free designs from Relatively Thoughtful, and I left the link in the description down below. So let's create a card base. I've got white card, 250 GSM, and I've got one more circle exactly the same size. Now I'm going to use my trimmer to cut the excess off to make it easier to create a top flap using my scoring board. If you've never ever created a circular card, this is the easiest way to do it. But if you don't have circular nesting dies, you can use a circle cutter as well. Now I'm going to fold the top flap. I'm going to put a little bit of liquid glue. I'm going to leave it to the later moment because I'm going to add some elements first, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. It is super quick and simple. And if you've never ever created a Diwali card, I really hope you will give this one a go. Because Diwali is coming very soon, and I'm so happy for Relatively Thoughtful to actually bring this collection. Here you can see my nesting dies I use. Now I created a beautiful frame using gold cut and that filigree circular cutting die. I really like it, and I think gold is the best color for Diwali. If you agree with me, please let me know in the comments down below. So now I'm happy with it, and I'm going to use the yellow card from that beautiful free set from Relatively Thoughtful, and I created a slightly smaller circle. Now it will be time to assemble them together. Really quick and simple. And then using the same filigree circle cutting die but slightly smaller size, I created another gold panel. And just to make sure everything has a little bit of contrast, I used that beautiful pink pattern design. I really like it, but I thought I really want to make it slightly darker. To do it, I'm going to use my Distress Oxide ink in Price Ribbon color. And I'm going to use my ink blending tool to add the color all the way. And this way, I'm going to have very nice contrast between that darker color and gold. If you like this trick, please let me know in the comments down below. So now when this is ready, I can use my alphabet cutting dies from Crafter's Companion. It is a pretty old one, but it is perfect for so many different projects. And I die cut the words Happy Diwali, and I'm going to start putting it here. As you can see, it comes together very quickly. And here I spelled Diwali with V, but sometimes you can spell it with W, and both versions are fine. Have you ever created a Diwali card? Please let me know in the comments down below. Because I have in the past, I had quite a lot of friends in the UK celebrating Diwali, and I think this is such a special and beautiful day to celebrate. Actually, this is one of my favorite celebrations. And this year, I would really like to wish everyone a Diwali full of joy. And I really hope you'll spend time with your family and friends to celebrate. Now, when this is ready, we can add some other elements that you can fussy cut from that beautiful free set from Relatively Thoughtful. And I think when this panel goes in the middle, that is actually perfect. So here, as you can see, this is the set to fussy cut, and I did everything off camera. With some of them, I'm going to add extra dimension. But before I do it, it's always a good idea to do a dry run so you will know exactly where all the elements will go to make your card super beautiful. And I have to say that I absolutely love that Rangoli pattern with those beautiful rainbow colors. It is so pretty and perfect for Diwali. If you agree with me, please let me know in the comments down below. So here I'm adding double-sided foam adhesive to Diva, and it's going to be between my sentiment. Really cool, quick and simple. And actually, it really stands out when I use that Price Ribbon Distress Oxide ink. Now it will be time to add a little bit more dimension. Sometimes I'm going to use even 2 layers for extra special effects. And I'm not really sure if you can see it in the video, but in real life, it really makes a difference. How often do you create Diwali cards or maybe create cards for your friends who have different celebrations? If you do, please let me know what kind of cutting dice or actually digital collections you used. I'm so happy that Relatively Thoughtful decided to create a very special collection for this occasion because I don't think there is any on the market at the moment. So now it is. And as I told you, I left the link to that freebie designs in the description down below. So go and have a look. And if you like the colors and patterns, you can also use them for other occasions as well. So here, as you can see, I'm trying very hard to make sure the card has really nice composition, and I really love that beautiful Rangoli pattern. Have you ever created one? Or maybe you like mandalas. If you do, this collection would be perfect for you as well. And what's very special about this collection, it has so many beautiful patterns. And if you go to Relatively Thoughtful website, you can actually see the sneak peek of all the elements in the full collection. And I have to tell you, they are absolutely fabulous. Here I'm adding some dimension on the flowers. On some of them, I'm adding 2 layers for extra interest. And the card is going to be completed. But as you can see, I still have couple of elements left over, but I'm going to use them to decorate the inside of the card. So now when the top flap is ready, and I've got that straight line at the bottom, I'm going to attach the front of the card. And this way, the card is going to be really nice on a flat surface. It's going to stand beautifully. And that's what I wanted. And it's very even. So now we can decorate the inside with the leftover elements I've got. So I've got that beautiful lantern and 3 flowers. Really cool and simple. And here I decided not to add any gems or sparkle because I think this collection is so pretty in itself. And if you agree with me, please let me know in the comments down below. And I also wonder, what is your favorite color combo for Diwali cards? Please let me know. I really like to use some gold for extra interest. That's why I've got those 2 beautiful circles. And the cut is complete. What do you think about this? Would you like to give this one a go? And don't forget to get your free designs from Relatively Thoughtful. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I really hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye!